Hi there, this is Yael, and here we are in Screencast number 2. And in this screencast, we are going to talk briefly about what WordPress is and how it has grown and matured from simply being a blogging platform to a system that you can use as a full content management system. WordPress began as a blogging platform, and over the last few years it's really matured and expanded into a very elegant and yet simple content management system that gives you incredible power to manage your own site without needing a web designer or a programmer between you and your website. So one of the things that makes WordPress not just a blogging platform like, say, blogger.com is something called pages. And see, you see here we have posts and we have pages. So what I want to do is I want to go over here to the front end of this WordPress install, and I have a free, really awesome theme installed called Frugal, and it's very simple and clean, and that's why I wanted to use it in these learning screencasts, because it doesn't the design doesn't distract from what we're going to be actually doing. So what I want to show you is I have this installation set up as a content management system. What does that mean? That means that I have a number of pages, and my blog is not my home page. My blog is a link, and when I click on that, it takes you to the blog area of this site. Whereas if you use WordPress simply as a blog, the home page would usually look something like this instead of what we have now. Whereas we have the recent posts showing up here with the link to read the entire post. But what I've done is I've set it up as a content management system. So I have the home page created as a page. And you'll see that the page contains the complete content for this entry. Whereas when we go to the blog, we have an intro and a link to read the entire entry. So, and again, you've got other options with the blog, with the comments and tags and being able to share your thoughts, which we're going to be going into detail in. But I wanted to just give you a brief introduction to using WordPress as a content management system, because basically all of these screencasts are going to be using it as a content management system. But you can also use it simply as a blog. And so another thing I want to show you over here is I have some things in the sidebar. Right now it lists all the pages on this WordPress site. And this are the categories in my blog. And these are the archives in my blog. And you can control everything that appears over here in your sidebar depending on your theme. It could be to the left, or maybe you may have a sidebar on the right and the left. You may have some space at the bottom in your footer area to add these things. But you manage all of these things in your back end, in your WordPress dashboard, and you can control what shows up here. But I just wanted, this was just an intro to show the difference between a page and a post. The pages on your WordPress site would be things like home and about you and perhaps services or products that you offer, and they contain a complete entry, whereas the blog posts have the intro with the read more link, either the title, or sometimes it will actually say read more, down here, and you have the options to make comments. You've got tags on your post. Those are things that you don't have on your pages. So that's just an introduction to pages and posts. And in the next screencast, we're going to look at how to add a page and then after that, how to add a post. So thanks for watching, and I will talk to you in the next screencast. Bye.